Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Prolux CTX Canister Vacuum and Air Purifier, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Breathe better. Fight allergies with water filtration, an advanced light technology which work together to stop nasty contaminants in your air. CTX cleans your floors and your air at the same time, releasing only fresh air. Faster, cleaner results. 2-speed Italian motor produces 130 CFM, compared to an industry average of 75 CFM. Uses one of the highest quality power nozzles out there, the German Wesselwerk EBK 360, with a suction power of 130 CFM. No bags or filters. Bagless water filtration, nothing filters better than water. Fill the CTX water basin to the fill line and let the water do its magic. When done cleaning, dump the dirty water in the toilet or outside and actually see the results. Use for any and all surfaces. Designed to deep clean floors, couches, and other surfaces within a 30 feet radius, removes dust, dirt, pet hair, and more. Assembled in USA, designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA with parts made in America, Germany, and Italy, the CTX boasts premium materials and construction to provide a reliable, deep clean. The Prolux CTX sucks up everything left behind by your old vacuum, all while improving your indoor air. It uses advanced bagless water filtration and antibacterial technology. The electric power nozzle is constructed from the Wesselwerk EBK 360 and features LED headlights, quiet rubber wheels, and auto safety shutoff. I know. Crazy, right? The plastic parts, the hose, the wand, all are made by North American suppliers. We even build them right in the Prolux factory located in the Rocky Mountains of Utah. Thank you for the awesome Prolux vacuum. It literally has enough power to suck the core out of the earth. As a mom of 4 kids, you have no idea how helpful this is. Yeah, that's us. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.